As the country moves to address the housing crisis, Prime Minister Dr Andrew Holness is appealing for the private sector to help bridge the gaps. Over 150,000 homes are needed to improve access to affordable living in the country, and is also issuing a warning to people who build in hard-to-reach areas with the expectation that the government will provide the necessary infrastructure. Dr. Holness was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for over 200 housing solutions by private developer Ultra Homes in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Friday afternoon, as he lauded the initiative and impassioned the plea to the private sector.
The view has been that much of the effort of the private sector is concentrated in the high-rise apartments in Kingston, St. James. But that can't be the only effort of the private sector. We want to see the private sector operating in Spanish Town, in Maypen. We want to see private sector operating in St. Thomas.
Dr. Holness said based on the last survey, the island is short 150,000 housing solutions. He said while the government is working to close the gap,
the government has committed to 70,000 of that. So I am expecting that the private sector will fill the rest. And I'm certain that the private sector can fill the rest.
Another challenge, though, according to the Prime Minister, is encouraging people to build in areas that are fit for purpose. He said Jamaicans have to think strategically in building for a sustainable future.
People want to build all over and then expect the government to bring water to where they build, or to bring roads to where they choose to build. That don't make sense.
Dr. Holness said it is not only a housing problem, but a productivity issue.
And the idea is government must do it. But how does the government do it? The government does it by your tax dollars. So we have to start thinking smartly now. Should we take tax dollars to carry water and road, go way out, when right here we have land and we have people seeking housing to live in? Where is the most efficient, where is the most economical place to deploy the limited resources of the government?